Hey, this is Tom, and I'm making my first TikTok video ever. We've done 60 Broad Street videos, and Tiffany's been doing them. I've been doing the video recording and then handing them off, and she's been publishing them on TikTok. So today, I'm going to learn how to do TikTok myself. The girls suggested that the first thing we do is a dance, and I prefer not to do a dance to start with. I have to get warmed up to do a dance on TikTok. But anyway, just want to share a few of the things that happened in the process of making my first TikTok video. Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, pretending to be at the river. I'm checking out the green screen feature of TikTok. Tip number 58, do your own TikToks. Broadstreet.net.